guys, new video, and today is the first video of my series Anaisita in London, because since around 2 months I'm living in London for my studies. I didn't did a video before because I don't have time to travel or to visit something here. I just have time to study and to go to work, so that's my life now. But today I have something to share with you because in UK we have a celebration, the Bonfire night on the 5th of November. So I will explain you what is that festivity, and then I will bring you with me in that festivity this year in Twickenham. So in 1605 the King of England was James I, but some people didn't like him because with him the country was under Protestant rules, and before that it was under Catholic rules. So a group of Catholic men plot to blow up the House of Parliament with the king and the government inside. They decided to use gunpowder to cause a huge explosion underneath the king's chair. Guy Fawkes' job was to light the gunpowder on the night of 5th November. But of course that plan didn't work because a letter was sent to the Lord Montague, who was in the parliament that day, so he told an alert about that plot. So after that, Guy Fawkes was put in the Tower of London and tortured until he confessed about that plan, and after that it was executed. The king decided until that year to celebrate the fail of that gunpowder plot. So every year until that we have festivities, we light bonfire with the head of Guy Fawkes at the top, we have fireworks. So I will bring you right now in this festivity. Let's go!